Hello, amazing Half Size Me community. Happy Monday. And I know you've lost sleep this weekend trying to figure out who put the list together that I'm putting below, which I'm going to paraphrase here and say it is prioritizing your time for your healthy habits. It is prepping your food for the weekdays. It is getting a movement every day. It is tracking your food every day or not tracking your food every day and learning to eat in a certain portion size. It is letting go of mistakes and moving on. It is learning to be grateful for the process every day. It's about keeping yourself motivated by telling yourself what a good job you're doing. And who put this amazing list together? None other than the Half Size Me community maintainers. We have a once a month maintenance meeting for those of us who are in maintenance, which means that we are at a weight we've deemed to be good for us and that we are maintaining. The reason this list is important and why I wanted to put this out there is I asked them in the community or in the webinar this week, tell me your top 3 things. Like, what are the 3 things that you feel have been instrumental in maintaining your weight loss? And this is a good chunk of what was shared. Oh, the other one, making sure you get past all the mental stuff first, right? So that was another good one that was mentioned. So these, right now you're seeing a lot of maybe friends doing these juice cleanses, these quick fix things. And it's great to see people getting really awesome results in a short period of time. However, if you know me at all, you know that that doesn't really mean a lot if in, say, 6 months they're right back where they started. So who should you be listening to when you're thinking about long-term success? People who are in long-term success. In our maintenance group, we have people who've been maintaining their weight for 7 years. I just hit 5. We have others that are at 2 and 3. These are people who are beating the odds. And what are they saying are their tips? The ones I listed below. When you're feeling overwhelmed in your Facebook feed, when you're feeling overwhelmed by all of the noise going on right now, say, you know, that's great, but we haven't seen long-term results from this yet. So let me refer back to people who have had long-term results and let me see what they say. And that way you can keep yourself grounded during this time of year. There's also another great resource I've happened to stumble across, and it's a free Kindle book. I'm going to link to that below as well. I'm reading it right now. It's really, really good. So I am sharing with you today, it's about maintenance. Can you do what you're doing for the long haul? And if you're struggling this week with seeing people doing fast things, you can read the list below to keep yourself focused. You guys have a great Monday. I'll see you tomorrow night at our webinar. Take care.